So class, as you know, tomorrow is jeans day. Oh, class, go fresh and free youth.
Clock it, clock it.
So you not happy, make sure my homework do.
Clock that key.
Mr. Can't boss the one time, yeah, Mr. Can't boss. Make
Make
sure
sure
my homework do. Oh, I don't talk.
So your man, they won't go where?
Why me not know, you know, boy?
I mean, once say, yo, me go be the freshest thing, you hear that?
Brother, you can't.
Brother, me the freshest thing when me dress, clown.
I show a picture in your body fit right now, clown bag. You can't dress you. How was that? They were so mangoes. Where back laughing for? Miss Shandy is saying can't dress better than me. Miss Shandy is saying can't dress, miss. Look at miss, look at miss, look at miss. Ooh, ooh. But yeah, dress. I'm gonna show you dressing, but I'm gonna show you fit, but I'm gonna show you body is fit right now, but I'm gonna show you dressing. Yeah, that. I'm gonna show you real dressing. Watch out. Watch out. Watch out. Fresh, fresh.
Yeah, fresh man.
Fresh, fresh. That's fresh. That's fresh. Fresh. Don't test the cowboy. Don't
Fresh,
test.
fresh,
Don't
that
test.
fresh,
Yeah,
that fresh.
That fresh. Nah, right. That's cool over. Okay, guys, make sure the homeworks are done. Okay, make sure all the homeworks are finished and done and handed it to me. All right. Okay, miss. Okay, miss. Ready for your jeans, the animal. Ready for your jeans, the animal. Let me go here. Let me go here and go here. Let me go here. Follow me, no follow. Follow. Alright. Freshest thing. Which pants are now? Which pants? Which pants? Which pants are? Oh, jeans. Alright. Yeah, man, this is steady, man. This is steady. This have to go weird, man. Freshest thing. Ooh, can't wait. Come, baby. 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 Love you now, baby. I love you now. I love you, mom. I love you. I love you, baby. I love you. Call up my dog. Yo, Sean, bro, I pre, bro. Yo, I'm go fresh tomorrow right now. You who can't hold me? You see, every girl, me I take that. Me I tell you bad man. Nobody can hold me tomorrow, bro. Not before me. I fool you. Remember, you're afraid of that girl, you know. We go prove her wrong tomorrow. Yeah, that little boy. But yo, me say Keisha now got these days now, bro. What make? She sick out. So me a fresh fry she not forward. I joke. You see how me catch you now? You see how me catch you? Not too much girl, man. But yo, tomorrow, bro, me need to get some sleep, bro. Tomorrow, my God. Tomorrow, me late. My God, 9 late, yeah. Yeah. Good morning, sunshine. Good morning. Well, I'm fresh now. Brush my teeth. Father, when you get a panic call up, hello, I'm a dear panic call up, I'm a dear and I get maga. Father, hello, Mr. James, I'm calling you, tell it $1 million. Hello. Me a the man. Fresh out. Jeez. Brush my teeth, keep out, is it? Bread fresh. That is it. Girl, them dead, you know. Me a man, you know. Me a the man, you know. Me a man, bro. Me a man. Be fresh off, you know, man. Time be fresh off, you know. Put on the clothes, yeah. Me polo, me no polo. Fresh out that no, who fresh like a me? Who fresh like a me, you? Ready, me ready. Ready, me ready, I know. Ready, me ready. Ready, me ready. I wanna say me fresh down. Believe no man. Oi sir. We are going at that. Oh, I'm tweeting, miss. You pants so tight, you know? Miss look on film pants, miss. Oh God, miss look on film pants. Bro, she call like me and him, bro. She call me and him, bro. We get boss, you see me, dog? Call me and him, bro. You see me? Get out of my class. No. Oh, watch ya. Get out now. Oh God, miss.